Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to rotate in Droyo. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to click on the start button. If this is the first time in Droyo, you just have to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To rotate shapes or text or any elements in Droyo, you just have to follow these simple steps. Okay, so once you opened the Droyo application, if you're using the web version or even the... And then I wanted to make sure that you open the interface here on the top side. You can see the full screen and the format panel. If you can't find it, go to the view and click the format, which is Control plus Shift plus P shortcut. Now, rotating here is very easy. All I have to do is to hover to the rotation handle. How? For example, we're gonna look at the text. All right. Click the text right here. There should be a rotation handle somewhere on the top corner. You see, there's gonna be like button and then an arrow, right? That is for scaling. But the rotation handle is this small icon right here. If you click on it, you would notice that it is rotating accordingly. I'm gonna move it around here. I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller for you guys so you can see it, because if you rotate the handle, you would notice that there is a corresponding number at the bottom, right? 30, you see that, 45, 60, and then 70, and then 90, right? So you have rotated the text 90 degrees. However, if you again rotate that counterclockwise, what will happen is you would have a negative value of minus 225, minus 195, and minus 180. All right. You see that? That's one way for you to rotate the text. If you're looking about the elements, all right, for example, this element right here, or this small actor, let's say I'm going to rename that as deep lapse. I'm going to rotate the lapse. All right. Click on it. Similarly, you can basically rotate that using the handle, similar to the text. Even the image right here, you can also rotate that, similar to the options earlier. Now, there is a cool feature here in Droyo wherein if you go to the Arrange tab in the left side of the Format panel, there is an option here to rotate any shape by 90 degrees only. All right. For example, this one, click this button right here. It will magically rotate by 90 degrees. Similarly to the shapes right here, click that. You will have an option to rotate. It's very easy. Even for our text here, we can have the option to rotate shape only by 90 degrees. You see that? But the idea is that if you click on the text, there is also an option here that says angle, wherein if you press the up button, you would be able to rotate it until you are satisfied with the position. All right. Similarly here, you have the option to click the bottom option, and you would be able to rotate it according to your desired position. Okay. So basically, that's how you use the rotate here in Droyo. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.